Hi, beautiful, lovely souls. How are you today? So, my name is Irene. For those of you who don't know me, my name in Greek means peace, and I'm your love and life coach, positive psychologist. I have a Master's of Science, Psychology and Counseling, certified life coach, and leadership and management coach, and also relationship building counselor. And I will talk to you about the best love and marriage relationships that will save you, honestly. Because what is the best top healing techniques you can use? It's the light, the love, the peace, health, joy, happiness that exists in the universe, everywhere. The light of Christ. And this is the light that you need to reflect. So, positive abundance. Abandon your egoistic fears, your egoistic negative limiting beliefs, or whatever was keeping you from actually embracing the pure positive energy and positive abundance. Yes. And it's everywhere. It's in your soul. It's in your heart too, in your brain. So you need to trust it. You need to see what are your highest expectations from you to really be that you seek also the love, the pure love, unconditional love. And when you find, immediately you know that it's you who needs to be the love, and you attract the highest goods, the money, the wealth, the beauty, the joy, the happiness, with loyalty, respect, genuine. Relationships are honored by the Lord when there is loyalty, truth, positive energy, and good, faithful love. So don't be scared. There are some men who are thinking that it's too good to be true when they find someone who is truly genuine. Even for me, like, I had experiences that people were not thinking that, okay, true, good, positive thinking and positive energy is genuinely real because of their past negative limiting beliefs or their past experiences. But that's the mistake. You need to be gladfully embracing the highest good, because when the Lord gives it, it's a miracle. It's maybe in a moment. So you need to embrace it without any past traumas or any fears or something like that. You need to be pure love and to embrace pure positive energy and gladful positive abundance. And that's how you live the best, happiest, joyful life. Peaceful, healthy, joyful, honestly. Yes. So, whatever you do, for relationships and marriage, the top tip I can give you is to reflect Jesus Christ. Love, and of course have also money and wealth to live in freedom, deliverance from poverty, and deliverance from also the judgmental thinking of others or the temptations also, because you need to be loyal. You need to have loyalty. When there is mutual, like love, desire, kindness, happiness, peace, pure love, you need to genuinely work also on yourself, on your mindset, to have unlimited positive abundance and non-stop, and do good for you and for others, for the world. We co-create the kingdom of heaven on earth too. So whenever there is a distraction, you just, like now that there was some noise, for example, you close the window to that noise, and you close the window to anyone who could even stop that positive abundance and positive energy. And when you have a relationship, it's important to talk, honestly. It's good. We're not machines, we're not robots, we are also human beings. So embracing also humanity, embracing also golden holy love, God, Goddess, Holy Spirit, and the Pluti, which is rich wealth. Plutos means wealth in Greek. And to embrace the pure love, unconditional, genuine, true, genuine love, without fears and without scarcity, without poverty mindset, and to just do the highest good, because that's how you break free. That's what the breakthrough means. Okay, even if you were in a situation that was not good, break through that to go to the unlimited, wealthy, blissful, peaceful, healthy, joyful happiness, love, God, Goddess, sanctuary of love, happiness, peace. My name is Peace. I'm the Peace. That's how also I'm helping you, because I became a counselor and I studied psychology at the university in the UK. I did all this. I have so much rich education just to actually to qualify me to genuinely help people, because I was doing that even without the degrees. It's just I have more knowledge now and techniques. So if you have an online session with me, I will ask you the right questions to break any limiting beliefs that you might have, so that you can unlock also the peaceful, healthy, joyful, positive abundance. So if you want that, genuinely, trust me, you are at the right place. Just purely, genuinely want you to positively change everything in the world and your life, and have more peaceful, healthy, joyful, positive abundance, honestly. So just you can message me, and if you want to become a coach, also life coach, have your online business, to be in freedom from a 9 to 5, if that's what you want, and to learn also the psychology, positive psychology techniques, counseling techniques, and positively abundant life, love, relationships, to have a more peaceful, healthy, joyful life and a business. If that's what you truly want, if you want to work on a 9 to 5, that's okay. The thing is, what do you want? If you want to choose your online schedule, to work online, to travel whenever you want, do whatever you want, or do both, you can do this. And I will also help you, if you want to, join the Glorious Bright Coaches community, where I teach all the positive psychology and counseling techniques and teaching from my education. I have a bachelor in teaching, also in education, and I have reached the top education systems in Finland also. So I want you also to succeed, to have a peaceful, healthy, joyful life, and that's also why I chose this professional career. So if you want that also, and to help others while getting paid also, to help others too, message me. And if you want also the coaching strategies, you are welcome to enter the Glorious Bright Coaches community. The link is in the description. I will put my email also in the description if you want to partner with me and to co-create, honestly, the kingdom of heaven on earth too, and live in more positive abundance, pure love, positive energy, peace, health, joy, happiness. Just embrace that, message me, and let's go, grow, and glow. Mwah.